What's up guys, welcome back to Watch with Solo. In this video, we are gonna unbox Fastrack smartwatch. Let's get started. Let's start unboxing. So again, this is from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. You have the invoice. So we are gonna unbox Fastrack. As I told, we are gonna unbox Fastrack smartwatch. Let's get started. So this is the package. This is the invoice. We have the plastic wrap. Throw that aside, and this is the first look out of the box. The packing looks very presentable, nice colors, and it's sealed everywhere. Even though one seal is a bit off, the other side of the seal is still intact. Okay, let's start. This is how it is inside the box. The watch itself, it is wrapped in a plastic sheet and the foam cushion in the middle, and the price tag which says Fastrack. The quality is not that great on the build. Not that great. I think the strap pin is out of, it is wrongly put or not sure. Let's try putting it on the hand. Okay. Since I'm a bit confused if this is the right way of putting the hook, let me try it out and see. Yeah, that's it. Well and nice. The plastic feels kind of that, not that genuine plastic, rubber plastic. I have the iPhone watch as well as the Firebolt strap. That doesn't feel the same way how we see it here. So this is the watch itself, and inside we have the charge cable. So the charger wire, let's see the length of it. So the charger wire is this length, and as usual, it is the same way how other mid variant smartwatch is. Let's peel off the protective layers, and we have the layer on the sensors also. This is the front view, and at the back I think it's zoomed enough. So at the back it says Fastrack, designed in India, plastic case, IP68, and the model number is 38095. That's all it says, and we have all the trackers at the back. The build, I think this we can change. There's a little knob. If you push, we can eject the strap out of the place. Let's put it back. It's nice and smooth, easy to put. We have the speaker holes. The watch itself, let's try turning it on. we're trying to turn on the watch. There's only one button, no other power buttons around. It's not powering off. Let me put it to the charge and wait for a while. So I just plugged in the charger, and the moment I plugged in, it said the charge is 100% full, and it says download the Fastrack Reflex World app and scan to pair. Let's try pairing the watch. We have the QR code, and I scan it from my iPhone. It goes to Titan Smart Apps, and the app itself, which says Fastrack Reflex World. I hit on get, let that get downloaded. Meanwhile, we'll see what's else in the box. Again, a styrofoam protective case, and this says Titan company warranty. This shows you how to claim your warranty, which has some 4-step going inside the application and putting the registration number and OTP. Some puzzle is there, definitely there inside, and this is the manual itself. Step 1, connect the watch and the strap, which was already connected, and put the watch on the charger to switch it on. Okay, to turn it on, we have to put it in the power case so that it turns on. Then that's how it actually happened. Now though it is on, I have downloaded my application.
Basically asking for permission, which says smart notification, SMS, camera, phone location, so on, and internet as well. We click on accept and read the terms and conditions and accept. It is asking for the mobile number, so we put in the mobile number and continue. OTP is triggered. Let's wait for the OTP. Okay, once you put the OTP and continue, it says now you are verified, and it is asking to scan the watch. So the moment you get the camera, the QR code, quickly it starts connecting with the watch. Yes, pairing option, pair successful. It is asking for this same notification. Hello. And it is going through some firmware updates. So till the update goes on, to give more insights on the watch. So this is Fastrack Limitless FS1 smartwatch. The biggest, that is 1.95 inches. Horizon curved display, single sync, Bluetooth calling with version 5.3. It has
built-in Alexa, and the battery standby is for like 5 days. And it says it has ATS chip, 100 plus sports, and 100 plus watch faces. So about this watch, as I said, this is the biggest 1.95 inch horizon curved display Fastrack, and this has built-in Alexa with the personal assistant, which makes life quick. You can set quick alarms, reminders, and adding your groceries. So the moment it is connected, this is the face. You click on the dial, it will go back, and it will come on the home screen, and we have the options. So in the options we have phone, Alexa, multi-sports, heart rate, SOP, stress, sleep, breathe, clock, weather. The touch is not that friendly. The moment you keep playing with it, it automatically selects. And also we can have a side-by-side comparison this with the Apple Watch. This is my Apple Watch 5, Series 5, and this is Fastrack. In terms of screen, I would say that is pretty big, and the dial, this is the side-by-side profile of the iWatch and the Fastrack. Back side. and you can control music on your smartwatch. So this is all the unboxing. We'll put a review video in following upcoming days. Let me use it for a couple of weeks and give my honest opinion on this. Peace. Do like, subscribe and share my videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.